Hello, my name is Derek, and today we're going to be talking about the sweep tool. So as you can see, I'm in my part window, my new part window. I haven't done anything so far. So first thing I'm going to want to do in order to utilize the sweep tool is I'm going to create a path for the sweep to follow. So if I go on my sketch plane, sketch on the front plane, and I'll go normal to that. Perfect. And I'm going to do multiple lines. And then that's it. That's all I want right there. I'm going to go back to an isometric view. Alright. So, now I want to create a plane. And I want to create normal to one of these endpoints. So I'm going to create this plane. I'm going to click the plane button, and the plane window pops up. Now in order to create a plane associated to this line, we're going to say associate the line endpoint. Now click the icon, don't click endpoint itself or else it won't work. So I'm going to click on the icon, and it's telling me okay, and that's it. And I'm just going to hit enter, and that's that. So as you can see, sometimes these don't always glitch out. There you go. So by closing this window, the list, and opening it back up, it'll make all the random glitchy looking planes disappear. So just a quick tip for you. So now I'm going to sketch on plane 1. Alright, so I'm going to select this arc circle entity, and I want to go to my auto cursor, and I want to make sure that line endpoint is the only one that's selected. So when I hover over this line, I select the endpoint by default. I'm just going to make a circle about that size. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to hit the green check. So now I have everything that I need in order to do a sweep. So I'm going to come up here to the sweep tool and tell me path. So I want to click towards the bottom half of this line right here. And you can see the red arrow. So see this red arrow right here where my cursor is? That's the path it's going to take, and that's what we want. So I'm going to select that. And then I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to hit face profile. I'm going to select this. Now if I do that, I hit preview, you can see a preview of my sweep. And I'll hit the green check. So this is pretty cool. Alright, allows you to make kind of a 3D shape, if you will, along different axes if you know how that's going to be used. So a lot of people, what I notice, actually, if some of you guys have seen the Solid Face trailer video, you can see the fact that there's a boat basically, and it's a rigid hull inflatable boat, and you can see the pontoons on the outside. They follow a swept pattern. So they start level, then they go slightly up towards the prow of the boat, and they meet in the center. And that's actually a sweep. So that's a really cool way to demonstrate that. So that's the sweep tool in a nutshell. I hope you guys learned something today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our videos if you want to stay in the know. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye.